Okay. All right. Okay. What's the debate about whether something is inborn or whether something's caused by socialization called?
Nature versus nurture.
Nature versus nurture. Okay. So biology would be what?
Nature.
Okay, and then like if it's how you're raised, that would be nurture. Good. That's pretty straightforward. I want to explain that. Okay. I'm going to point to some stuff. I want you to tell me what they all share, okay? Got that. I should probably hold this up so people can see. Got that. Alright. This. And this.
That was cheap.
Yeah. I don't know if I said things that were cheap. What is it? Symbols. Okay, how about this?
Symbol.
That's a symbol. This is a symbol too. How about this?
Symbol.
It's a symbol too, right? Okay, so it's not just physical things, it could be actions, etc. So why are symbols important?
They help
people understand.
So if you don't understand all the symbols in culture, that can lead to what? What's it called?
Culture shock.
Culture shock. Yep. Good. Okay. What's the analogy? I showed you a clip about two guys. Actually, there are three guys in an apartment. And like one guy came in and said, "Hey, can you empty the dishwasher?" And the other guy told him it was kind of poor acting. He's like, "Chill, dude. I'll get it later." Right? Do you remember that?
Yeah.
Okay. What was that demonstrating?
That Jacobness, whatever it starts with the D, about how people act when everybody acts.
The dramaturgy.
Yeah, dramaturgy. Yep. So they behave as if they're performing on a stage, right?
Yeah.
So they have front stage, backstage, and off stage.
Yeah.
Talked about that. So front stage is where you have all performers present and an audience. Backstage is only performers present, but without an audience. And then off stage is just one person. Okay. All right. Give me an analogy of this then. Like dramaturgy. Explain something.
Like if in your room with three guys and you walk in and then you tell the other guy, "Hey, can you come out load the dishwasher?" And then the other guy says,
Okay. Give me a different example.
Like when
Teacher.
a teacher,
Okay.
If
when
you're
a
like,
student is misbehaving in like class and the teacher says something, that's on stage, front stage, and then behind stage is like if the teacher would take the kid outside of the classroom to discuss with them.
Okay.
And then off stage is when like the teacher's in his office with nobody around and he's commenting on the issue.
Right.
crying
Like talking to himself.
Yeah.
So, yeah, or another thing with dramaturgy is you have props, right? And then you have a stage, and you have a costume. So if you want to create a specific performance, that's the goal in dramaturgy, you have to have the right props, the right costume, and all that. So even if everything else is fine, you could have some problems, okay? If you spoil a performance, what do you experience? Embarrassment. So if people help you fix that, what's that called?
saving face.
Saving face, or
Being nice.
it's called tact.
Oh yeah.
Okay. That's it.
Beautiful.
That's it.
That's
The
it?
last thing you
Wow, we better go through that at least 2
I
more
literally
times.
talked about everything that was on the test today.
So with the short
What was
answers,
that very last thing?
that's just going to be you're going to give us a term, you want us to define it.
Yeah. So there'll be a term like culture.
Okay.
You have to define it,
Okay.
say why it's important to sociology, and then give me an example.
An example.
So I only want like 3 sentences for that. Don't. Some people are gonna. Hey, one more thing. On the term part, don't freak out on that. Some people are gonna write like a huge paragraph for each of the term thing. Don't do that. That's not gonna help you. Okay. I want like, I'd say 4 sentences max, absolute max. You can do it in 2 if you do it well. So let's say, for example, you get the term culture shock. Okay. You could say culture shock is a phenomenon that people experience when they are not used to a culture that can cause them to have difficulty adjusting to a society, right? Or to a culture. So that you've defined it and you've said why it's important in 1 sentence, right?
Yeah.
Then you just need 1 more sentence to give the example.
Okay.
Okay? But if you want to do it in 3 sentences, that's cool. But if you have more than 4, that's way too much.
Okay.
Okay? Anybody else?
Sign up.
Go ahead. Stop Megan.
Okay.
Sign this. Megan.
Hello, Nate.
Oh, where that pen I just had go?